Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage data science teams with Slack, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a dedicated Slack workspace for your data science team. Invite all team members to join the workspace. Set up channels focused on different projects and topics related to data science. Ensure you have a channel for general announcements, one for project discussions, and others for specific tasks. Encourage team members to share their progress and updates regularly in the relevant channels. Integrate data science tools and platforms such as Jupyter, GitHub, and others directly into Slack. Use Slack's app directory to find and install useful integrations. Establish guidelines for communication to promote clarity and efficiency. Create a channel for quick questions that need immediate feedback from peers. Utilize Slack threads to keep conversations organized and focused. Schedule regular check-ins through Slack calls or video meetings. Use Slack reminders to keep track of important deadlines and tasks. Promote a culture of sharing knowledge by encouraging team members to post resources and learning materials. Utilize Slack polls to gather team opinions on project ideas or decisions. Monitor channel activity to ensure team engagement and participation. Provide feedback and support through private messages as necessary. Encourage recognition by having a channel dedicated to celebrating team achievements. Establish a protocol for resolving conflicts or misunderstandings promptly. Leverage analytics tools to assess team performance and communication patterns within Slack. Continuously solicit feedback from team members on how to improve the use of Slack for collaboration. Regularly review and refine your Slack workspace setup to meet the evolving needs of your data science team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.